Common Bush. Boogity, boogity, boogity! Let's go racing, boys! And Tony! Come on, Kyle and Corey. They were all loose, the fuck? The fuck happened to Lane Riggs? Where the fuck the sponsors go? It's a dumbass looking truck. No, Tony. That's a nice truck. 76 looks nice. Oh, you guys killed him up. Not so slay anymore. God damn it. Weep. Oh shit, Blaney's here. Swear to God, if Kyle Rex one actually start crying, I'm being dead ass too. I will start genuinely crying. Aww. I like the camera angles this year. I like these like not so zoomed in, like more fast paced looking cameras. Oh, you know what I'm talking about? Like at the end of the Jamie McMurray Kevin Harvick photo finish at Talladega, how it was like more like still and fast paced. And you could like generally like it just is different. I don't like instead of like this shit where it's zoomed in, you can't tell the actual speed of the trucks and the cars and all that. Woo! Go back to the back camera angle. Go to the back to the camera angle in turn 3. Go to it. Go to it. Go to it. Go to it. I like that camera angle. Go back to it. Go back to it. I like these battles. Yeah, I like this camera angle. So fucking cool looking. Back to zoomed all the way the fuck in. There we go. I fucking love these damn camera angles. I mean, not even just that. They just like, oh my god, that looks so fucking good. And also, like, it looks more like grassroots style camera angle work. You just like get some like teenager to start recording, but make sure they're actually like decent. And they don't fucking do this. We're like, oh, you gotta go look, oh. It's like, so fucking nice. Aw, Bush went down to 4th. Fucking freezing, god damn it. I camera angle's so fucking hot. Sexy ass camera angle, oh my mama, baby. Craftsman, where the fuck's he at? Craftsman's top 20. He's 15th, top 15. I don't know, that's fucking surprising.